Hello and welcome everyone. Today we're just going to do a little bit on group policy objects and object users. So group policy object is basically designed to restrict or control the privileges that a user has within a domain. So first to begin with, you just click on our start menu, administrative tools and group policy management. And you see here inside the group policy management, you have group policy management, and then you have forest, which is mydomain.com, and then in that domain you actually see mydomain.com set up here. Then there are sites. Let's maximize that to see what they are. Okay, I have group policy modeling, group policy results. So let's just right click and see what we get here. Search. Now we're looking for items. Basically some of the things we can do inside this menu. You could create a GPO and link it to this domain here, link to an existing GPO, and so forth. Go on sites now. These are just some of the things that we have inside of this study. Right, so what we want to do now is to actually create a group policy. You see here, these are the inherited group policies that we have. These are the ones that are linked. So just gonna create a GPO in this domain. And we're gonna name it test. Maximize this object here so you can actually see it. So you can click on group policy objects and you'll see that the group policy I just created, GPO test is here. If you right click on it now, click new. Well, actually, that is creating a whole new one. What you want to do is actually right click on here. And if you notice before we continue further that this here says for my domain, you can actually go further in GPO and restrict users or certain computers from doing certain things as well. It can do as low as that. So just gonna edit the GPO that we created, and let's see what we have in here now. We have the policies, preferences, policies for computer configuration and for user configuration. So let's see, software settings. Let's say we wanted to change something on the computer configuration, maybe Windows settings or control panel settings. Let's see. Click on more than start a list stuff that's supposed to be here. Okay. Going to user configuration. We're going to hit administrative template and we're going to check desktop, maximize the desktop, and what we want to do is let's see, we're going to hide and disable all items and desktop. Is this option here. So click on properties and we're going to click enable. Let's apply. I want to remove recyclable from desktop as well. Properties again, enable and apply. Now this policy that I'm creating here so will be linked to my domains. All users on my domain would have to adhere to these policies. So now we're going to right click on my domain and link to an existing GPO. And it is GPO test and we're going to hit OK. Okay. And it's going to run this over. I should close this open. And we're going to pull up a client PC. showing for anything for that matter on the desktop. It's just a clear desktop, which is what I set in the policy. If I wanted to, I can actually not allow the user to be able to click on this as well, but that would be too helpful. So that is basically it for the policy objects and how you go about setting up one and restricting a user's usage on a